We're here at Ingram Power and Sports, and I'm going to pick up our new GreenWorks machine. Here we are at Ingenium Power and Sport in Orlando, Florida. I want to take a video of the new purchase that we had. We have a GreenWorks 36-inch electric power mower. All right, here we are in Ingenium Power and Sports. Ingenium Power and Sports. This is Jeff, the owner. I appreciate you, Jeff, for taking the time to do a video with us. Can you tell us a little bit about Ingenium Power and Sports?
Yeah, we have a lot of battery-powered equipment for the commercial and residential landscapers in Central Florida. I'd like to congratulate your neighborhood yard for taking their company to the next level and converting from gas to battery power. It's easier on the customer's ears, and no maintenance on the machines. No oil changes, no gasoline, no nothing. And we appreciate the business, and hopefully we could contribute to your success in the future with changing from battery to gas from battery. Thanks.
Here is that GreenWorks beauty. I tried to take a video when we picked it up, but unfortunately for some reason the video didn't take, and so we used this a couple times already, so it's a little bit dusty, dirty. I'll go over some of the features with it just to give you some idea of what the GreenWorks Optimus Z 36-inch does. Well, first thing we had to take off the cover. The cover is very strong. Here's the cover. I call it a cover. It's the flap or the chute off the machine. As you see, it's about, I'd say it's a good 10-12 pounds. It's solid, it's sturdy. This whole machine's built like a beast, built like a tank. So yeah, it's built like a tank. The reason we had to take this chute off is because we tried to put it up like our other mowers, the gas-powered mowers, to get through the back gates, the 36-inch gates. And the flaps, they still hit the gates, but they were flexible. This one is not flexible at all. Like I showed you in the video, it's thick, so it was not going to get into the back gate, so we had to take it off. What I'll probably have to do is just get a thin piece of wood right here, just so it covers the blades for safety reasons. That's no big deal because we already got the holes there, so just drill holes in the wood and screw it on there. Okay, so I'm going to take you around what I know. Now, this is new to me, so I don't know everything about this particular machine. But I'll tell you everything what I do know. This part is for if you want to hook into the handheld equipment. So you can use the battery of the mower to use handheld equipment, blower, weed whacker, edger, whatever. And also charging, and I'll go over charging later on in this video. But here's where you charge it up. Right there's a portal that you charge it up in. It has a special cord. I'll show you that cord. You can use 110 volt or 220, I think it is. So it has adapters to switch voltage. We have a 5-inch deck. It has a latch you bring, and it is heavy. So you bring it up and it'll latch automatically. I hope you saw that. I can't. Yeah. And bring the deck up. Here is the stand. It just moves down. You can't remove it or adjust it. Just step on. To turn the machine on or off, you just press that button. Here's the display. So you press the button and the display comes up. It's 100% charged. This is the blade engaged. And you can hear that. That's as loud as it gets. Over here is here is the power for the running the mower. You press that up and it goes up to 4. I don't recommend using 4. I mean, this thing was like a bucking bronco. It'll kick you off. Right now, we only do 2. Okay, 2 is the fastest. And not only that, if you're doing residential lawns, you don't want to go any faster than that because it'll tear up the grass. You can't stop fast enough, and when you do stop fast, it puts marks. It digs up the turf. So number 2 is the fastest. If you go down to number 1, you see it says use eco. It's using less gas or less power, and then up to the second one. Oops. Okay, press up to and medium power. Okay. These are the blades. Here's the blades, the speed of the blades. This is the least. We only used so far. We've only used the minimum. Again, if you go higher, the more power you get. We have done 18 properties with this mower, and sometimes we had to get I still have a backup cub. Cadet for larger properties, we use that. So we had a couple larger properties, but we still only use 67% of the juice. So you got plenty of power. So we're going to take the blades down just down to the very minimum. Here you have a space for your phone. You can plug in your phones. Okay. If you have a commercial account, I guess you're going to be there all day. I don't know why you'd need that. We don't need that, but you might have a commercial account. You'll be there all day. You want to listen to music, whatever. Well, let's go back to the control panel. I don't have, like I said, I don't have all the facts. We just got this. I just wanted to make a video to show off our new toy, if you will, and maybe help someone that is thinking about going electric or battery powered, to help them make quality decisions. This machine can also, I can program it to you have to push on and off. Okay, there's no key, so you can't turn it off. But I can, with the app, I can program it to where I'm the only one that can turn it on. So it can't be stolen unless they want to take it out of there, and I don't think they're going to push it out of here. Also, I can there's a GPS tracking device installed in this machine, and so if it is stolen, or if someone goes off the rail and decides to go down the street and get lunch with the machine or whatever, it has a GPS tracking, so you can keep track of the location. And from what I understand, I can program with the app how fast this mower will go. So I can program it to where they can't take it up to a certain level. And with the blades as well. So this is the speed, and with the blades as well. So I can program. There's a whole lot of other features with this mower that I'm not familiar with, and maybe I'll make another video and share that with y'all. And as far as operating it, you operate it just the same as the other stand-up machines, the gas-powered machines. They have the controls here, and you go front and forward, left and right. It's the same as the Skag or sit-down machine. Here is the charging unit. This is the part that goes into the machine. Like that. Make sure it clicks in. There we go. And then we have the 110 connection, and then you take this off and you have the 220 connection. So you can do either or. So I'm at my residential place, so we have to use the 110. If you're renting or have your own operation in a commercial building, you're probably going to be using 220, and so that you'll have that option.